Hey guys, welcome to the Hajj Mamar YouTube channel. WhatsApp shocking new update is killing bulk messaging, but don't worry, I've got the ultimate trick to send all your users without getting blocked. Let's jump in, and it's very important that I'm telling you this so you don't get blocked. If you use an unauthorized machine or unauthorized process, you will get blocked. Here's the deal. WhatsApp limits unanswered messages to unknown contacts monthly. It's a spam crackdown. It impacts users and business senders sending unsolicited messages. No clear limit yet. They're testing this feature. Okay, so you will be capped till next month. Sounds bad, right? Okay. For engaged users, no issues. Here's the workaround. Legally use broadcast list. Add up to 256 contacts. They need to reply back. Okay, they need to message you back before. Use labels in WhatsApp Business. Tag active users like engaged or VIP for quick blast. Encourage replies with questions. Keep it legal, guys. Avoid spammy tactics. There you go. It's just simple as that. Okay, let me tell you my personal experience. I'll be honest with you. I can't send messages right now to anybody. I was usually sending messages from time to time to my subscribers, the people who subscribe with me, but now I can't do that. I don't know what to do. It's going to be very difficult to do. I'll try to look for a quick solution. I found the only ones that are available are WhatsApp illegal methods. So that's something that you should not be using. I also found something else. I found that WhatsApp has allowed you to use their own API with other software. Now, I'll be honest with you. The first thing that I did is I went in there and I tried to check it out. And then the whole thing said, you have to pay. And I thought, wait a minute. What the hell? I was used to be able to do it for free. Now I'm doing it for money? And what's going on? This is where it becomes a bit silly. I don't understand how am I going to do this. Now, the biggest problem is don't send the loads of people and spam them, especially during this transition period. This transition period is going to be a problem for everybody. Don't let everybody just send messages out. And if you do send a message out, you have to encourage people to reply. If they don't reply, you will get blocked. It's not something that they are monitoring. I have a feeling that they're doing it automatically. Subscribe to my video, guys. Press the like button, and I'll keep an eye on this anyway. Check out my other videos as well. See you guys later. Bye bye.